Today we are going to share with you a Bakra Eid Dawat special mutton korma recipe. This festival is not only about sacrifice and devotion but also about rich flavorful meals and great feast. And when it comes to mutton, how can we forget a royal and flavorful dish like korma? If you follow this recipe step by step, the mutton will turn out so soft and tender that it will melt your mouth. The aroma of spices, the slow cooked meat, all of it comes together to make a perfect Eid special dish. So without any delay, let's see how to make this delicious and easy mutton korma at home. To begin, we will prepare the spice mix for korma. For that, take 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamoms, a small piece of cinnamon, a small piece of mace, 6 to 7 cloves and 15 to 20 black peppers. Now transfer these spices to a pan and dry roast them on low flame for about 1 minute. Once roasted, let them cool down completely, then grind them into fine powder and set it aside. Take around 7 cashews and 7 almonds. Add half a cup of water and grind them into a smooth paste and set this aside too. Now here take half kilogram of mutton with bone. You can also use boneless if preferred. Heat 50 ml of oil in a kadai or wok. Add 4 medium-sized onions, thinly sliced. Fry the onions until they turn golden and crispy. We will fry these onions stirring continuously so they don't burn. Once the onion is fried well and done, we will transfer it to a separate plate and let it cool down completely. Now into the same leftover oil, we will add a piece of mace, 2 bay leaves, 15 to 20 black peppers, 6 cloves and 8 green cardamoms. Let the spices crackle for a few seconds. Then add mutton. Saute the mutton on medium-high flame for about a minute or until all the moisture evaporates. Once water evaporates, now we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And again we will saute this ginger garlic paste with mutton for about 1 minute. Now here we will add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon mutton masala powder and salt to taste. After adding all these spices, now here we will again mix all these spices with mutton thoroughly. Now here we will add half a cup of yogurt and 2 cups of water. After adding yogurt and water, we will mix everything really well. And after mixing all the things well, cover and cook the mutton on low flame for about 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Here after cooking for 30 to 40 minutes, now we will check the mutton. After cooking on a low flame for 30 to 40 minutes, you can see the mutton has been so soft and tender and there is no rawness in the mutton. If you feel it's need more time to cook, you can add a little water and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Now here we will add prepared fried onions and the ground masala powder which we had prepared earlier. Then we will add cashew and almond paste that we had prepared earlier. Now we will mix everything nicely and then we will add half a glass of water. After adding the water, cover again and cook for another 10 more minutes on low flame. And there you have it, your rich, flavorful and special mutton korma, perfect for your Bakra Eid feast. Serve it hot with naan, roti or zira rice and watch how every bite brings compliment your way. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share with your family and friends.